Hello, my name is Bob Anderson. As you may know, I am creating what we're calling the Unity Academy. And I want to do a series of videos to explain what this is about. It's too much to cover in one video, so I'm going to chunk it down. And I'd simply like to start with why? Why am I doing this at age 70? Well, when you're 70 years old, you have the privilege of looking back over your life and seeing what worked. And so at the most fundamental level, the academy is about mastery. It's about here's what I've learned beneath the surface about what actually manifested my life, the company, and the leadership circle profile. The leadership circle profile is kind of my public face. It was a way of trying to find application in the world for what was happening internally, what was developing internally. And I've been fairly nondescript. I have not come forth with what has been happening internally. And now I am. And it's in the Unity Academy. So the Unity Academy is not a new model. It's not a new framework. It's the deeper underpinnings of what we call the universal model of leadership. It's the same model now expanded to a more integral level of practice and a unitive level of practice, or what we're calling unity informed integral practice for coaches, for leaders, for consultants. Now, you may know that what started as a small inspiration, aspiration, became a large company, a leadership circle. And I've been reflecting on what was it that built a company. And I want to just start with two things today. One, I said yes. I was talking with Bill, my partner and co-author, good friend, recently, and he said, "You know, Bob, I've not heard those stories before about your life. And what I'm realizing is that what you really did well in your life was just say yes. You just kept saying yes." And looking back over my life, as Steve Jobs says, when you're looking forward, none of the dots connect. When you're looking back, they all connect in ways you never could have imagined. That's how I see my life. And I realized now that those yeses to the subtle information, to the subtle voice that said, do this, try this, now it's time for this. The capacity to listen to that and to respond to that and to say yes had been developing all along. And as I look back now over my life, I realize I wasn't stalking my longing. It was stalking me the whole time. That life was living me. And what I've been on is a journey of greater and greater surrender to being lived by life. And so I look back now and I say, that's what built the company. That's what built all of this. The other thing I would just posit is that when we started the leadership circle, when we first came out of the gate with the certification, I didn't know what I had. And I had a marketing manager named Jonathan Halsh, director of marketing. He was new and he was doing cold calls to try to fill certifications. And shortly after the first few certifications, he went from cold calling to taking incoming calls because it spread like wildfire. Word of mouth. We weren't doing any outbound marketing. And what I realized was that the experience in the certification was what was spreading. That through these years, and I'll get into more of what was developing over those years, most of my adult life, was the capacity to transmit, the capacity to resonate at a frequency where magic could happen. And so magic was happening in these certifications, and I didn't even know why, but people were kind of amazed by how much had happened in 3 days. And so, yes, it was a good instrument, and that in and of itself was intuitively inspired. But it was also that there was a presence and a transmission that was happening in these certifications that was the strange attractor. And so the academy is about this and more, but it's about how do you let your life be lived from an intuitive source, from the inside out, from that subtle voice that says, do this. And how do you presence that more and more fully, that deeper self more and more fully, so that you become the transformative agent in the room, the person who can resonate a field wherein magic can happen. And so this is eminently practical and very subtle. Subtle in the sense that we're trying to explain in the academy the ineffable, the finer, more refined frequencies of mastery. And so it seems impractical. Like, what's the application here? And I would suggest to you that subtle in physics is more powerful. The more refined the frequency, the higher the frequency, the greater the energy, the greater the amount of information that's transmitted or carried. And so as you gain wider bandwidth into the more subtle frequencies of who you are, and you can embody that and presence that, you become a more powerful agent for the transformation that wants to happen in the meeting, in the room, in the workshop, in the coaching session. And that's what the Unity Academy is about. Consider joining us. There's a link in the post to some write-up on the Unity Academy. I'd love to see you there.